Welcome to our channel, Learning Tech. Today my topic: communication failure in conversation. Communication failure, the communication breakdown, is the conversational failure, and under the ideal face, it should never happen. If both parties can't get exactly what he wants, there should be a mutual understanding by the end. Communication breakdown, most of the time due to unbalance of conversation, one side high in some way outcome of the conversation. The main reason for conversation failure, listening. Many people focused on the speaking part of a conversation, after all that the parts you can control. Being a good listener first presents that you are invested in the conversation and makes the other person feel apperceptive to share or her thoughts. The most important listening allowed you to hear and understand what the other party needs, giving you context and direction for your response. Without effort, the conversation will never go anywhere. Respect, the most of important for long-term happiness or other measurable conversational factors of access, and withdraw from the situation. Compromise. Finally, remember that all conversation involve kind of compromise. This is especially plain but also appears in more superficial conversation, feedback in communication, and atheros communications. Conclusion: communication failure in conversation, a common set of problems. They occurred some but disturbed to more of them in team.so. It's important during communicating all the above reason in front of during communication. Please comment if any questions. Thanks for watching it.